Hey, what's up, guys? Thanks for coming back to the channel. Checking out, yes, another video. I know. Are you getting sick of them yet? I hope not. uh, Thanks for coming back to the channel, guys. Tonight we're going to be reviewing a company that I reviewed. It's been quite a while ago. Back when I was a part of the Beard Trend Reviews. Back then, when we reviewed his products, he was using essential oils only, basically, since then, he's come out with a fragrance line, and I can tell you it's awesome. So stay tuned after the intro, and we'll get right into it. Welcome back, guys. Thanks for coming back to the channel. I hope you guys are staying safe. I hope you're enjoying the content. Most of all, thank you guys so much for all the continued support on YouTube and Instagram. I mean, it's just been a privilege being able to do this for you guys. Thank you. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Stick around, watch the video if you like it. Hit that thumbs up. Tonight we're going to be talking about a company that's called Renewed Man. I had talked to Jared, the owner, a few times, and I told him I was interested in, trying his new products. He released these. It's been a while ago, and he said, "Yeah, I got to get you some products." So he was kind enough to send me out a box of his new stuff, and I got to try them. And all I can say is, wow! I'm a big tobacco fan, and with the 3 oils that he sent, just blew the roof off. So anyway, let's get into the video. When you order from Renewed Man, you get a nice box, as you can see. And the presentation back then was awesome. And when you open the box, you're greeted with a bunch of good stuff. He does include dropper tops to put in the bottles themselves. And of course, which I did, obviously. One of his little business cards. Nice touch. And on the back, a thank you. And of course, one of his updated stickers, which this was definitely going to get put on my shelf. I'm going to have to film one of my shelves for you guys. It's all decked out. And a little information booklet, the 365-day guarantee. And it's a really nice book. I don't know if you guys have ever... If you've ordered Renewed Man and you've got this book, it's got a lot of interesting stuff in it. And do yourself a favor and read it. And of course, last but not least, billing piece of paper. A little note says, "Thanks for checking these out, Pat. Enjoy, Jared." Thank you, Jared, for that. It's always nice to get a little personalized letter, even if it is thank you. And what I like is, when you opened it, you got this little box that the trio of oils came in, which, if you guys are not familiar with, I'll go ahead and pull the box out and show you how it comes. And he did also send me a butter, his new butter he came out with, which is freaking amazing. And the one that I got last time of this, it's actually holds my lapel mic that I use. So these boxes are pretty good containers. And as you can see, it's a flip box, magnetic. And these things are really nice. You can use these things for a lot of stuff, little knickknacks and stuff and whatnot. So without further ado, I'm gonna do the butter first. That way we can go through the oils a little bit quicker. I don't know if you guys watched the one video that I did, but I'm gonna kind of keep my videos under 10 minutes. I know I got a bad habit of, babbling a lot of whatever. But anyway, Jared has come up with new butters, and they're phenomenal. They're buttery smooth. They feel good in beard. They smell good. And the label on the particular one is awesome. If you're an 80s baby, then you're going to appreciate this label. Check that out. How freaking cool is that label? And these aren't plastic. These are glass. These are frosted glass. I'm sorry about my camera, guys. I'm trying to get a new one. I don't know if that's ever going to happen, but you know what? I got to keep on keeping on. The ingredients in Jared's butters, I can't really read them because I have my eyes, it comes with age, they get bad vision, But I'm going to try and put that up there. And if you guys want to pause the video and zoom in, let me see if I can get it a little bit closer. There we go. But I can assure you, everything in this butter as far as ingredients is great for your beard. Just ask the guys that use this. Like I said, these guys, or these products have been out for a while now. I assure you, guys can attest that the products are awesome. And the butter is absolutely buttery smooth. Just look at that. And I'm barely putting any pressure on that. And the more you move your finger, the softer it gets. It's just absolutely nice. Absolutely amazing. I'll go ahead and show you guys the consistency. And look at that. It's just absolutely phenomenal. And with just barely any pressure, I probably put a little bit too much on there. And the scent profile, I'll tell you here in a second, but barely put any pressure on here. And it's got a slight tack to it, but put it in beard, and the conditioning factor, you can tell right away. It's just really good. Really, really good. I'm going to wipe the excess off my hands because I put way too much on. That was through camera power. I got my hands cleaned up, straightened my beard out, fluffy soft since I used this. The scent profile, it is tropical fruits and subtle spice. I get a lot of the fruits, and it's how he puts it is tropical fruits. You really get the tropical scent from the fruits. It smells really awesome, really sweet smell to it. And on the back end, you get that nice, subtle, spicy scent. It's a good scent. If you like a spicy fruit scent, it's just hard to explain this scent, to be honest. It just smells really good. And you get the fruit, you get the spice, you get the feel. It's just amazing. And I mean, like I said, my beard is super soft from 30 seconds of, wiping my hands off to coming back and cutting it, it's just super soft. And I really, really enjoyed this butter. And gotta tell you the name, the name of the butter is Radical Tropic. And it's such a nice butter. I'm gonna have to get rid of that plate because my camera wants to zoom in on everything. If I hold something up, it's zooming in on that or zooming in on that. Jeez. But anyway, the oils, standard dropper tops, frosted amber bottles, and the scents and the labels are absolutely awesome. Check these out. And I know you guys are saying, you've already seen them through other reviews. I know. These things excite me. This is the stuff that these guys put all their hard work into, and the finished product is absolutely phenomenal, at least in my opinion. And these are Jared's fragrance scent. And this one is Black Mint Maduro, Maduro. The ingredients, I'm going to try to read this. They're really small. Almond oil, argan oil, all good stuff. They're a little bit hard to read. And what's different is these are fragrance oils. And I'm going to go ahead and try to hold that up for you guys. And I'm going to have to adjust my lighting again. I don't know if you guys can see that, but this is the fragrance oils. The scent profile is warm tobacco, black tea, and mint. And the consistency, it's a clear oil. It's a medium weight oil. And how he says warm tobacco, it's funny because you get a warm tobacco scent. If tobacco was warm, this would be the scent, if that makes sense. I know it probably don't make sense, but whatever. But the mint, you get the mint on the back end. The black tea, I don't really smell. I just get a lot of the tobacco and the mint. The mint, man, when I say mint, is like a peppermint patty type mint smell. And add the tobacco, it's just a really good minty tobacco scent. And this was black mint. I love this scent. I think this one is my favorite overall out of everything Jared sent me. The next one is called Havana Beach. And again, absolutely amazing artwork. The labels are fantastic. Same ingredients. And this scent profile is tobacco, elegant musk, subtle sea salt. Again, nice clear liquid. It's a medium weight oil. Again, you get that tobacco right off the get. A little bit of musk, you smell the musk. And the sea salt, it's barely, to me, you can barely smell it, but it's just that tobacco, man. It's just like a really good scent. Whatever type of tobacco he used in these, they're freaking awesome. And it gives you a nice, like, musky, tobacco-y scent profile. The longevity of these, about 6+ hours. Really awesome in beard. They feel awesome. They give my beard a nice shine. Just, Jared, you did awesome on these, buddy. And last one, this one, it took me a few minutes to warm up to, so to speak. This is his cigar oud. And again, the label, just phenomenal label. And this scent profile is tobacco, oud, amber, birch, black pepper, and smoky vanilla. It's got a lot going on in there. Again, clear, medium weight. And my nose, it figures my nose is starting to get stuffy. This is on, to me, it's almost a cologne type scent profile. The scent that I get out of this, you get that tobacco, and that oud is definitely dominant. I put a little bit on my wrist. You get hints of the black pepper, and that smoky vanilla comes up from the back end. Really, really smoky. It's a really, really nice, smoky, sweet type scent profile. This one, I think, lasted the longest because of the oud in it. Just overall, every single product that Jared has done and used fragrance ingredients, or fragrance oils rather, he's outdone himself with these. They smell really good. They last a long time, longevity wise. Feel in beard. They feel really good in beard, and they're not overpowering, too strong. They're not too weak. They're just right. Get that rich person that just right. I'd like to say thanks to Jared for sending out these products. I really do appreciate it. Guys, if you haven't tried Jared's new line, head over, try them out. You can get them in the trios, and they're really inexpensive. For 3 bottles of oil, you get a nice presentation, and they're worth every penny, in my opinion. Everything will be in the description box below, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know this ain't a 10-minute video. I apologize, but when I get 4 different products, I'm going to try to squeeze as much information out as I can for you guys, so you guys have all the information to figure out whether you want to try this product out or not. But nonetheless, thank you guys for sticking around if you made it this far. Jared, thank you. Everything will be in the description below, guys. Hit that thumbs up if you liked the video. Until the next review, peace.